has always leaked. So we're gonna film John's first ever how-to video.
Oh boy.
And it's gonna be how to change the tire valve in your AEV tire.
I can hardly wait. I can so hardly wait.
That's sarcasm if you didn't know.
So these are made in China, just like the original ones, so you know they're good.
This part here.
And you can, this is the same for every tire, by the way. So what you want to do first, we have a much better tool than this, by the way.
Would you like me to go get it?
Let's just start this little process over.
We'll be back with take 2. All right.
So we take this with us everywhere. These will typically work, except
they come with this thing.
These particular rims have the rock protectors on them, and it's recessed, so it doesn't reach. But this one does. So you notice it's already stopped, but we're still gonna replace this one. So the trick here is to go ahead and make this shoot out right in your eyeball.
You can see there's like a little part coming out. That's a technical term.
Should be out already.
Important to do this at home because you're going to let all the air out of your tires. And unless you have onboard air, you're going to be real sad.
This is a great how-to. Real, you know, you have constant problems. This is real life right here.
All I can say is I'm eternally grateful we're doing
needle nose, will you?
What? What do you need?
Needle nose, maybe?
Needle nose. I'll get the good ones that are mine.
So then you put this one back in and hope to also stab this one in your eyeball too.
Had to use these to actually get the bad one out. That sounds better.
Well, I mean, I haven't tried to, use it yet. 10 pounds left. Yeah, 10 pounds left, so we know what we're doing now.
Well, satisfactory?
I don't really understand why it was leaking to begin with. Obviously something was getting hung up.
Had you replaced it before?
I don't think so.
So that's from when they mounted the tires?
I don't know, it's got balancing beads in these ones, so maybe that has something to do with it.
Ah.
Got like a piece of something stuck in it, I don't know.
And this is toolkit that we used. My bad. This is the toolkit that we keep with us that had the yellow screwdriver thing for the valve stem. So, highly recommend as well. He did a lot of research on it, that's why I recommend it. Yep. Yep. Yeah. Sure. Fixed, maybe fixed, or to be determined.
I think so.
Still catching on something?
Periodically catching on something in there. I don't know if there's something inside the valve stem that's catching on. I always have these two just in case.
Just in case, but we haven't had to use them yet, right?
Nope.
Okay. Well, make sure you have a pair of needle nose. We didn't need these, but I wasn't sure. So if you liked John's how-to, you know, bleep bloop down below. He'll maybe take it under advisement. Or you can just count yourself lucky. This is his first and only how-to. We'll see.